Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you need to invert the colors of a PDF in Adobe Acrobat for easier reading, accessibility or dark mode viewing? Adobe Acrobat includes accessibility and display settings that can invert PDF colors on your screen, making light backgrounds appear dark and dark text appear light. So this can reduce eye strain and improve readability in low light environments. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to invert PDF colors in Adobe Acrobat in 2026. Simple and effective. So first thing, open the PDF you want to read, verify that the document displays normally before changing color settings. So the inversion setting affects how Acrobat displays the PDF. Okay, so open preferences, edit preferences, and then Acrobat or settings preferences. This is for Mac. This opens Acrobat's configurations options. Accessibility settings are located inside preferences. Okay, so open the accessibility settings. Okay, in the preferences window, select accessibility. This section contains display options designed to improve readability. Okay, so accessibility settings control color replacement and display behavior. So enable color replacement, locate replace documents colors, enable the checkbox. This tells Acrobat to override the PDF's original color while viewing, so the original PDF content is not modified. Choose inverted colors, use high contrast colors or manually configure costume colors. A common setup is document text to white, page background black. So this creates an inverted dark mode style appearance. Okay, so that's it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.